I found what did I find the other day? Um I found, I don't know if you remember, ping pong and cheers. The candy? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Guys, give me a thumbs up. Like my channel. If you're gonna come here, you better like my things, you know. So I found ping pong and I found cheers the other day, and then I had tambourine ball, and I'm telling you, I went hog on all of the things. Yo, oh Lord, while, you know, a while, a long while. I've been here for a while, many, many moons ago. I've been here many moons. I don't even know. A couple of years, well. Been here a couple of years, well. 14 years. Ooh, nice. Well, you're a true Canadian. Maybe I've been here about that time too. I don't know. To tell the truth. Been here a long time. So you're gonna go back to Trinity soon? Guyana soon? You know, I've never been to Guyana, Christopher. Oh, you are. Oh, okay. 35. Nice. True Guyanese to the bone, eh? I've never been to Guyana, but I have a lot of Guyanese friends. Yeah. One of them have to cross a black river by boat to get to where she's from because she's native. She's a really awesome woman. And then the other one, she lives in the city itself. So those are the two Guyanese friends that I have. Yeah, one of them travel more than the other. Oh, you were there in October for cricket. Oh, you're a cricket fan. I used to play cricket as a kid, but I'm not really a cricket fan. My brother, when he was alive, he loved cricket. Oh, it used to drive me nuts. But yeah, I have lots of Trini friends too. Nice, nice, nice. And the Guyanese cook just like Trinidadian because you know it's similar. It's the same food, you know, we cook. Same everything, the roti, the doubles, the sahina, everything. Everything is the same. Especially the chow mein. I know you like a chow mein over there, you know. Oh, my friend makes a wicked chow mein. Maybe I'll have her make me some because I haven't eaten that in a while. The West Indian community is nice in Toronto. Oh yeah, definitely 100%. Yeah. The same food culture all come from India and Africa out of motherland. That is so true. So true. So Christopher, do you do caravana and stuff or you just chill around that time? Where did Matt go? Matt, are you still there? Matt, you got quiet on me. Where did you go? Listen, if I'm gonna make new friends, I want to talk to you guys. I want to know what you guys are about. I want to know guys what you guys do. What do you guys do for fun? What do you guys do in your spare time? So cool.
Yeah. No, Christopher does this post a video, man.
You didn't have nothing here?
No. Let me just post a video. Do a show.
Christopher, post something on your channel. Chill. I love garden. Oh, I love me some gardening too. Christopher, tomatoes is my favorite thing to plant. I travel for fun and gamble. Soon I will post. Good, you should. Christopher, post something. I will be your follower. I'll make my Guyanese friends follow you too. Let us support each other, you know? Yeah, Christopher, do this. My theme for the year is just do it. You see that voice? Just do it. Oh, Christopher, you're killing me here.